I'm Hariharan Padmanabhan. I go by Hari. I am originally from India, Hyderabad, where I was born and brought up. I did my undergrad in India in computer science and engineering, and then worked for an IT company called Infor Global Solutions, which is a product-based company. Worked in the SAP supply chain kind of tool and customer relations management as a product developer and technical support consultant for different Fortune 500 companies as part of their product development support process. After that, I moved to the US in 2014 for my MBA from Syracuse University. I specialized in supply chain management and business analytics from a 2-year course at Syracuse University's Whitman School of Management. Obviously, the program was structured around just the MBA aspects of supply chain management in general, but also a specialization into analytics. As I started my work experience after my undergrad, I always had a thought of doing an MBA from some school which can offer me a good blend of supply chain and analytics. I should be honest, I really did not know what supply chain really meant as I finished my undergrad. And through the process of the first 4 years of work experience, I wanted to learn more about what the field is. And luckily, I got the opportunity to work in the same product as I was going through those 4 years of work experience. But since I knew that I wanted to do some management degree, the 4 years of work experience gave me good understanding about the field and propelled my encouragement into the field and doing the specialization and wanting to learn more about what supply chain and operations means and how it blends with management. They have a specialization which caters specifically into supply chain management and operations management in general, and it particularly blends well with the business analytics courses they have. And they also have an iSchool from which I took a couple of courses. The Information Management School has a couple of really good courses which blends along with the B School's curriculum. Apart from the core courses which the B School had in terms of operations, supply chain management, data analytics, which are part of the core curriculum, there were several options for electives which you can choose from, which help you pick options from specialization in supply chain courses and specialization in analytics courses. So some of the courses which I particularly chose was like supply chain systems, principles of management science, business analytics, data mining, and big data sciences, which are like a good blend of supply chain and analytics courses, which helped me a lot post my B School work experience. The 2-year program was intentionally chosen because there is an opportunity to do a good full-time internship between the first year and second year, which actually helped me leverage my learnings from the first year of B School curriculum, and actually also helped me convert the internship into a full-time opportunity. And it actually helped me not feel pressurized during the second year, and I could actually focus more on the courses and learn from the internship and understand how a real-world experience can be translated back into a B School curriculum during my second year of B School. You can definitely choose not to do an internship, but it definitely adds value to both your B School experience and obviously your post-MBA job application process when you have to showcase what you learned during the internship and how it helped you blend with your B School curriculum. Syracuse has a very good career development center for each of the departments in the university, and B School particularly has a very good career development center who help you walk through the process of building your resume and finding an internship in the right companies and the focus areas of where you want to find a job eventually. And once you approach them, obviously they guide you through all this process, help you build the resume, the interview letters, and any particular interview help you need to secure a good internship. And as you go through the internship, obviously you can continue to leverage any inputs from the Career Development Center to understand how you can nail and convert it into a full-time job. And they will be very gladly be willing to help you out, understand what you need to be showcasing in terms of your skills and your abilities and your influence during the internship to convert into a full-time job. During the 3 months of internship, as I completed the 3 months of internship, the second year of experience was more about understanding how the real world actually perceives supply chain management. I was lucky enough to get an opportunity to work for Amazon, which is considered the world's best supply chain operations implementation company. And I was curious to understand how the internship experience actually works along with the curriculum and what I learned from the B School in terms of the course, the concept and the subject matter, which particularly emphasizes on the importance of improving supply chain and operations, specifically in large scale organizations. So so the 3-month internship basically was a good kind of hands-on experience to help me understand how the concepts I learn in B School, particularly with a very ambiguous field like supply chain, is implemented in an industry or large-scale organization. I would have only dreamt of being part of such a large organization before joining the B School, and I'm always thankful enough to the professors during my first year who helped me ease into the field and ease into the management degree to understand how to just take in the concepts and apply your learnings into an industry experience. There are a lot of nervous moments before you make a decision to come to a foreign land, especially in uncertain times when you don't know how a B School investment will translate into a full-time job experience and have the confidence that you will be able to find a job. So yeah, I did have my nervous moments before I came in, during the first year as well, trying to figure out where should I apply for a job. And in fact, even before I came in, the question was, although I knew that the field itself is a very diverse field and there are a lot of opportunities, especially if you blend it with analytics and a tech kind of spectrum of courses, you really open yourself for a huge market of opportunities. But I was still nervous to understand, considering the fact that I'm an international student coming from India, what are the chances of me securing a visa and finding a job at the right company where I can sustain and recover all my investment into the B School. But like I said, once Syracuse University has a lot of course options, and the courses which are available in the university are particularly built in such a way that you can push yourself into a large spectrum of organizations which are willing to accept you as a student, where from the courses you learn and whatever skills you can develop during your 2 years of B School or any course which you can pick up from the university. So as you gain that experience from the university, you can for sure gain the confidence that you will have several opportunities if you put in the effort to find and explore the companies which are willing to definitely have professionals with the background and experience you come in with. it is definitely a new world. It's like transitioning to another world itself, right? It's you don't know anything. You're just coming to a foreign land, barely knowing few people. Maybe the language is a barrier too, right? So there is a lot of things you are kind of surprised when you come in here, and your life in general is new, and that's part of the challenge. What I saw myself is it gives you an opportunity to mature yourself as a person when you go to a foreign land not knowing anything, because you're all by yourself. And as you go into the process, there are a lot of people, including the university's international student help center, which can help you figure out everything from housing to things you can explore and do outside of your college campus, and things you can basically do to figure out your how you can ease into your day-to-day life outside of the college. And you also can leverage a lot of alumni who have obviously been here for a while and gone through the similar experiences for the college and outside of college experiences, and take some of the inputs from them as well, and reach out to any particular contact you feel can particularly help you out for any particular circumstances inside or outside of the college campus. And definitely it's a very welcoming country. It's very easy to settle in, and you can definitely make yourself feel at ease, and not worry about how your life would be different coming from a foreign land. Yeah, I think I always keep saying, and like I said earlier too, like the courses I took and the professors who invested their effort into building a curriculum which was of industry standard, which really was made to help you secure a good job opportunity, and the effort they put into help you understand how the industry is, and the exposure you need to secure a good job opportunity. That's something I'm really grateful about, and I feel it is something which the university is putting in a lot of effort for the future students as well, in terms of building a better curriculum and expanding the reputation of the university in the courses and the university colleges blend of courses they have. A lot of questions which would come up to you as an individual before you make a decision to move to a foreign land and decide that why is my B school investment worth the investment and the time and the effort. But when you think of understanding, particularly in the field I picked up, supply chain management and operations and analytics, when you want to explore an opportunity in a land like US, which particularly has a large scope of opportunities in this growing field, and it's only bound to grow up in the next several 10 to 15 years, you will realize that a B school opportunity is probably the right choice you will be making in your life, in your career as a professional, if you're particularly interested in growing within a management experience in your career. And what you will realize is it will not be an easy path, but if you're willing to put in the effort, and if you're willing to take time and make the investment of time and effort into your management degree, you will definitely reap the benefits and rewards as you transition out of the management degree. So it's definitely something which you will not regret out of your B school experience.